A revolutionary glass has just changed everything we thought we knew about keeping surfaces clean. From skyscraper windows to desert solar panels, surfaces can now clean themselves, not using water, not chemicals, but something much simpler: electricity. Developed in 2025 by scientists at Zhejiang University in China, this self cleaning glass uses alternating electric fields to shake off dust in a matter of seconds. The glass is thin, clear, and embedded with tiny, nearly invisible electrodes. When activated, those electrodes generate an electric field that causes dust particles to move, jump, or lift away from the surface, cleaning the glass almost instantly. The system removes up to 98% of dust particles and does it without a drop of water or a single swipe of a wiper. But that's just the beginning. The electric field also prevents new dust from settling, deflecting charged airborne particles before they even land. The researchers call it the particle shielding effect, and it can reduce dust accumulation by nearly 90% over time. Unlike older self cleaning technologies, this one doesn't rely on UV light, rain, or special coatings that wear off over time. It doesn't need sunlight like photocatalytic glass, and it doesn't require water like hydrophobic coatings. It works indoors or outdoors, in deserts or cities, and even during dust storms. And despite being highly technical, the design is practical. The electrodes are etched using standard methods from the glass and electronics industries, and the protective film that seals them is already common in display manufacturing. This means the technology is ready for industrial production, not just lab demonstrations. For decades, researchers have tried to build self cleaning surfaces. Some relied on super hydrophobic textures, others on sunlight powered chemical coatings, but they all had limits. They couldn't handle fine dust, they wore out, they only worked under perfect conditions. Electrodynamic systems like those used on Mars rovers showed promise, but they were too complex, too power hungry, or too fragile for everyday use. This new electric field glass solves all of those problems in one elegant design. It's fast, energy efficient, and doesn't interfere with visibility. Most importantly, it works across both organic and inorganic particles, including the microscopic pollutants that other systems struggle to remove. And it's not just a cleaner surface, it's a smarter surface, because when it's on, it actively protects itself from the environment. That means fewer cleaning cycles, less maintenance, and longer lasting clarity. Now the possibilities are expanding rapidly. Solar panels in dusty regions could maintain peak performance with almost no maintenance. Greenhouse roofs can stay clear for maximum light exposure. High rise buildings can eliminate the need for dangerous manual cleaning, and car windshields, even on autonomous vehicles, can stay spotless at the push of a button. Even public touchscreen kiosks could stay clean and dust free without ever needing to be wiped. The physics behind the system is just as impressive as the result. When the glass activates, it creates a dynamic electric field that interacts with the charge on nearby particles. These particles are accelerated in specific directions, and when the forces are just right, they literally leap off the surface. The team fine tuned these effects by analyzing how particle size, material, and field strength interact, something earlier systems never fully understood. And let's not forget the sustainability factor: no detergents, no wastewater, minimal energy, just a small pulse of electricity and a clean, clear surface. That's what makes this not just an innovation, but a solution to real problems in energy, construction, agriculture, and transportation. This is the kind of technology that quietly transforms the world, not with hype but with precision, science, and sheer usefulness. If you're as fascinated as we are by what this breakthrough could mean for the future of clean energy, smart buildings, and sustainable tech, then go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe to the channel for more stories like this, and drop a comment below. Where would you love to see this self cleaning glass used first?